Okay. Well, here was a Family Dollar.
Yay!
Are you buying and walking? Let's go. Come with me. I got to you.
You come with me.
You want? Come show me. First, yeah, come show me. They got it, Mom. Do you see a pizza? Do you know what's inside, Mom? Do you see it? Whoa, it ain't no grape. Oh my God.
Good. Stay with me.
Do you see it, Mom? Look, Mom. A light, a freezer about to come on. Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm doing look around.
You don't look over there. When you fix the gun. I got one. All right, and you?
Okay.
You ready to roll to the other side?
Yeah.
They're gonna jump and they low. You baby low.
This one.
Hand that phone over, Lee. Hand the phone over.
No, I want to watch.
But until we get out, we're going to hand the phone over, bro. You don't pay for no repayment or no replacements or nothing. And you sitting here running, dropping stuff like you pay bills.
I will
You ain't got to
take
stop
one.
running, get your phone back to phone.
Yes, you do it, Mom.
Come on. Are you listening?
Do you see that, Mom? That's a refrigerator. Look, the food. Let's go. That's a refrigerator, Mom.
You want to go up past it?
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, that's a refrigerator, Mom. Let's hit what's inside. And they got our pizza sale, Mom.
Yeah.
And then let's watch the clothes, Mom.
Very nice. Now come on.
Let's go. Okay, come down to below if you want me to, Mom.